Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to create this look right here. It's a Euphoria inspired makeup look. I just wanted to use the Colourpop Blue Moon eyeshadow palette. I know it's been out for a while, but I just wanted to create a look before the summer ends, something nice and blue, and it's just amazing. I love this palette. And if you want to see it in action, just keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, please turn on the bell notification so you can be notified every time I upload. Now let's get started with the tutorial. Today I am creating a Euphoria inspired makeup tutorial and I'm using this palette by Colourpop. I am creating a look inspired by this look right here. She's wearing lashes, no eyeliner, and she is wearing rhinestones, which I have right here. She's wearing them all over her brow. I am going to do it a little bit above my brow because I don't want to do it on my actual brow. And then she's wearing two little gemstones on the bottom. Her eye look is more purple, but mine is going to be a little bit more blue. First, I'm going to prime with the P. Louise base in shade 2. So I'm just going to start off by applying it. And then I'll blend it out. So I'm just blending it in with this Makeup Shack concealer brush. And I did do my eyebrows off camera. I used the ABH Dip Brow in the shade Soft Brown. And I used the Benefit Gimme Brow in shade 1 just to set it. I'm using the shade Clued In, which is this one here. Ooh, that shade is pretty. I thought it was going to be darker, but it goes on lighter. Wow, that's pretty. And I'm glad it's not that dark because her look is not, it's not a dark purple. This look did win on Instagram. I asked you guys which one you wanted me to create and that one won by a lot. I am doing whatever you guys want. I am extending it a little bit. So you guys know blues are definitely a harder color to work with. So this is going on a little bit more patchy than the other Colourpop eyeshadow palettes. And then next I'm using this Sigma E38 brush and I'm gonna go in with Fine China, which is this one here. Fine China is gonna go a little bit above that color that we put on. So kind of in the middle to outer. So you can put it in here and then blend it out. Just so I don't go so high up because her look is not that high up. And this shade right here is really nice. These are so unique. These are the colors that I would have wanted on the Jeffree Star palette, the Blue Blood palette. Because he didn't have that many blues like this. Next, I'm going to take a fluffier brush. And this is the Morphe JH31. The next shade I'm taking is called Starry Eyed, which is right here. And I'm going to mix it up with Moonlight, which is this one up here. Just mix these two together. Now I'm just going to go back to the first shade, which is Clued In. And I'm going to go in with the Sigma E38 and take the shade Fine China. Now that I'm done with the crease, I'm going to take the shade Mad About You, which is this one here. It's not matte, it's definitely shimmer. And I'm going to take that with my finger, my ring finger. Ooh, bits. Look at that. That is amazing. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera, but this shade is popping, let me tell you. Okay. We're gonna jump into the shade Billie Jean, which is... You're so annoying. Okay. Now I'm gonna use the shade Billie Jean, which is this one here in the middle. Just gonna apply it. And then spray it with my MAC Fix Plus. I don't know, you guys, if I like it. I'm gonna add a little bit more Mad About You, since that's the shade that looks better. Just gonna apply it on top of the light shade. I'm gonna add a little bit of the shade Clued In, and I'm just taking the brush M507. And then I'm taking the Beauty Bird brush once again and just blending that all the way out. Now I'm taking this light shade right here called Lumi, and that's gonna be on my inner corner. Ooh, bits! Look at that. That is bright. Oh, but I love it. I love it. Next, I'm going to apply some mascara. I'm using my Too Faced Damn Girl Mascara. And I'm not curling my lashes. I'm just going to apply the mascara so they can be ready for the lashes. And the lashes that I'm wearing today are so nice and poppin'. I'm using the Lilly lashes in the style So Extra Miami. Whoa, these lashes are so nice. They're not the same as what she's wearing, but it's okay. It's okay. I'm gonna do the other side off camera, and then I'll be right back to apply the rhinestones, my favorite part. We'll be back in a little bit. So I'm done with my face. I showed you guys a little part of it. And now I'm going to move on to the lower lash line. And I'm going to take this Morphe M507 and take the shade Clued In. I'm just going to go with the darker shade. And I kind of want to add this shade Mad About You with my finger and just put it in on the lower lash line. Gives you kind of like a shimmer effect. Her lips are more orangey, so I wanted to start with this lip liner. The Morphe lip liner in the shade Toastie. Morphe lip liners are the best. They're so affordable and so good. I'm just using this MAC lipstick and Bare Bling. And then some gloss. Her lips are glossy, so just wanted to add a little bit of gloss. This is the Alamar Cosmetics gloss in the shade Dulce. So I did the other side off camera. I wanted to try it out. I really had to get really in there, really close. I am using my lash glue from the Makeup Shack. So I'm going to make the dots where they're supposed to go, over here by my arch. I'm going to use the medium sized. So there's 3 sizes here. I got this on Amazon. I will link it down below. And I'm just going to use the middle one here. And then I'm going to use the small one for the lower lash line. So first, I'm going to grab my tweezers. Okay. Put it all the way up and then bring it down. Over here. Okay, so I have the 2 dots there. And these are the medium sized once again. I kind of like set it and then with the nail I put it down. And you bring it up to where you want it. Your desired area. The last one on the top. And I dropped it. Great. Apply one here. And then the other one a little far away. And put it up a little bit by the lash line. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.